guys, and welcome to my Zagreb apartment tour. So if you are new here, my name is Lana Tiari and I travel full-time with my partner Carlos, working online as digital nomads. So today I'm going to be showing you the apartment that we stayed in for 1 month in Zagreb, Croatia. So for those of you who don't know Zagreb, it's the capital of Croatia, and we booked an Airbnb to stay here since it's pretty much the easiest way to book an apartment on the go. We live down a quiet street that's only about a 10 to 15 minute drive away from the popular tourist attractions, and we've really loved it here. So we're on level 4, which is the highest level in the building. So this is the entrance, and we have a nice little mirror here to check yourself as you go out the door. So this is actually a cupboard as well, which Carlos was using for storage. So they have a nice little safety box and a first aid kit, some hangers. It's quite spacious. And next is the living room. So as you can see, we've got 2 couches here, and this one actually kind of flips back into like a lazy boy chair, and this one I think can actually pull out as a double bed, so if you have guests that's really great. And of course we have a nice sized TV which we've been watching Chromecast from, as we usually do. And one of the many features this house has is actually colourful lighting. So we have some blue kind of party lights here, kind of sets the mood for movie nights. And they also have aircon, which was super important for us because it gets pretty hot here in summer. It was ranging from about like 27 to 34 degrees most days. They get quite cold winters here, so they actually have heaters throughout the house as well. And this is our lovely kitchen. It was seriously so nice to be somewhere for a month that had a really nice kitchen. We did a lot of cooking here. As you can see, they've got the oven, and then we've got the glass stovetop, which was really good. And they've got a sink, a kettle, a fridge, microwave, all the necessities. So they've got bowls, pots, glasses and cups, plates, more pots. They've got a fan that goes, and the dishwasher here is hidden, so it looks like it's a cupboard, but it actually just pops out right here. But we didn't actually use this since we prefer to just do hand washing. And the water here is drinkable, so luckily we didn't have to buy water. However, it is hard water, so it really depends on your drinking preference. We researched hard water, and apparently it's meant to be really good for you. So we had no problem at all drinking the water here. The fridge is a really nice size. It's always so good because you can do a lot of grocery shopping this way. And it has a freezer too, good size freezer. And then over here we have the dining room, with a nice big 4-seater table, and again the fancy party lights are really cool. If you couldn't tell, we had a really great time here. It just feels a lot like home. So there's actually a little room off the lounge here, and I didn't really know what to call it, so I'll just call it the office. But it's so cool. It has a massage chair, which we definitely made use of. So yeah, I used this room to teach from, so I was sitting here at this table right next to the Wi-Fi. And then up here we have a beautiful big skylight, so lots of natural lighting. And again with the party lights. So I think you can actually change colours in this room. So I don't know if you can see, oh yeah, there's a green light, ooh, red light. It looks a whole lot cooler at night, so the daylight's not really doing it much justice. So this has to be another one of my favourite spots in the house. I mean, all of the spots in this house are my favourite, but I love standing out here in the morning and just looking over at the mountains, having my yogurt. It's so peaceful. And there's like a little old factory there. I think they're renovating it. And we have this beautiful wood-fired oven, which we actually didn't get a chance to use, but we've seen a lot on Airbnbs in Croatia. They have these big wood fire looking barbecues outside. I don't know the right name for it. We did want to use it, but we just never got around to doing it. But yeah, I could imagine that would be really fun if you had a lot of people around and just have a barbecue out here. And they have a nice little lemon tree out here, which Carlos was looking after because I'm terrible at looking after plants. It's actually checkout day for us today, so we're really going to miss living here. It's been so nice to just recoup, get back on track of our health and fitness, and just get lots of work done. And this has been the best apartment for that. And next up we have the bedroom. Very nice and cozy in here. You can definitely tell we're on the top floor because the ceiling kind of slants down over there. The bedroom here is really nice and cozy, and another feature we really liked about this apartment was the fact that they have window shutters. So as you can see on the neighbours, they have these shutters which go on the outside of the window, and I think in winter time it helps to block out the snow. So I'll show you our one. So as you see, when they're shut, it's like having blackout curtains because there's literally no light shining through. So we had so many perfect sleeps in this room. And I really loved sitting out this window too. Got a really nice street view of all the neighbours' houses. They're all nice kind of pinky auburny colours. Our house is actually yellow. And as you can see over there, that neighbour also has one of those barbecue ovens as well. So it is really a common thing here for people to have those big brick barbecues. And here is the wardrobe that I was using. There's a lot of space. As you can see, my wardrobe's a tiny bit bigger than Carlos's. And they have some spare pillows and blankets. We really love having long stays because it gives us a chance to not live out of a suitcase. Now for the bathroom, and this is the shower, so it's quite a decent size, and as you can see it has the shower head which is attached to the wall, which was nice because it's not so common from what we've seen in quite a few apartments here in Europe. And then it also has the rainfall shower head. There's the sink and the mirror. Really good lighting in here if you didn't notice. Lots of cupboard space. So the washing machine is also in the bathroom, and this is really important to have in your Airbnb while you're in Europe because it's not so cheap to use a laundromat here, and also it's just much more handy to do your own washing. Okay, so that was the apartment tour, and as you saw here, this place is really spacious and it was definitely very comfortable to live as a couple. So the total cost for the month is $1,087 US, and because it is an Airbnb, this means that water, power and internet are all included in the price. So if you wanted to check this place out, I'll leave it in the link below for you guys. And also if you wanted to get a discount on your next Airbnb stay, I have another link below which gives you $33 US credit. If you wanted to know how much Zagreb is, I made a cost of living video which is very useful, so I'll leave the link above for you to continue watching.